Students, today we are going to learn the chapter Algebraic Expression and Identities. Before that, we should know what is algebraic expression. So, algebraic expression is any expression that is made up of variables and constants along with the mathematical operators. Algebraic expression also have no sign or equal to sign like algebraic expression. That means only the expression like 2x plus 4, there is no equal to sign, so it would be called as algebraic expression. Also it is containing the variable, that is x, 2 and 4 are the constants. So basically we can say it is the combination of constants and variables and certain mathematical operation where there is no equal to sign. Then let us understand what are the terms. Terms are the individual building blocks of expressions. They add up to form the expression. A term is a product of its factors, and factors could be constant and variable. For example, 5xy minus 3. So it is made up of two terms. One is 5xy and the other term is minus 3. In short, you can understand it in the way that if we see any plus minus sign, the terms have been separated. So if it is written 5xy minus 3, so you can say 5xy is one term and minus 3 is the another term. Now let us come to the factors. Factors are those variables or constants whose product forms a term. That means, as we have seen the example 5xy, so in this we are having 5 as a constant, x and y are the variables. So these are the factors of the term 5xy. Now if we talk about the example 8p and q are the factors of the term 8pq. Now next we should know about the coefficient. So coefficient of a term, if we talk, so it is any numerical factor that is known as coefficient of that particular term. Here you can see in 6y and 2xy, 6 is the coefficient of 6y and 2 is the coefficient of 2xy. But if here only I ask you what is the coefficient of x, so leaving x, the remaining part, that is 2y, would be its coefficient. What is the coefficient of a term? Any numerical factor. And if we ask the coefficient of the variable, then that could be the any constant term as well. Now in this, what are the like terms? Like terms here, like terms, if we talk about the terms which are containing the same variables raised to the same kind of powers. Like terms have the same algebraic expressions. Numerical coefficient may be different. They may be same or different. For example, 2x square y, 5x square y. So here, leaving the numerical, that is 3 and 5, x square y and x square y, both the terms are same. So these are known as like terms. Similarly, unlike terms in which the power of the variable are different or variables are different, they are unlike terms. Now based on the terms, we have divided the algebraic expressions that if they are containing only one term, they are called as monomial. For example, 6x, 7pq, x square y, 9xyz, etc. If expression is containing two terms, by means 2. So if it is having two terms, it is containing two unlike terms, it is called a binomial. For example, 4y minus 3z, 6 here x ki power 6 minus 2, pq plus 1. So they are having two terms, and here students you can see that terms they are separated by plus minus. So in the first we have 4y, the second is minus 3z. Now what are polynomials? Polynomial, any expression that have more than two terms with non-zero coefficient and variables having non-negative integral exponent are called the polynomials. So in short, here we are explaining that if it is more than two terms, then these are the polynomials.